For all non-zero real numbers p, t, x, and y, such that x divided by y is equal to 3p divided by 2t, which of the following expressions is equivalent to t? So the important thing here is we're going to solve what is t equal to. And they say it's for all non-zero real numbers. You might not know what a real number just refers to any number. It's what we usually think of as numbers that has, it can include decimals, it can include whole numbers, it can include, infinite numbers like pi 3.14 dot dot dot. The only thing that it actually does not include here is the zero. They say non-zero. So that number 0 does not actually count in this. And so maybe that'll be important, but actually, we don't know why they said don't include 0, and maybe it won't matter. So I think the way I would encourage you to solve this problem is to start off by just thinking they maybe just mean numbers, and let's see what answer comes out. All right, so what we need to do here is solve this equation for t. So let me just go ahead and set up the equation exactly as they wrote it. X divided by y is equal to 3p, 3 times p, divided by 2 times t, and I'll put t in red just so we can keep track of it. All right, so now what we want to do here is we want to get t isolated on one side of the equation so we can see what it is equal to. The first step, there's a lot of ways you can go about this, but the first step I would take is to go ahead and just multiply each side by t. So multiply by t, because right now we're dividing by t, and we'd rather have t in the numerator. All right, so if we do that multiplication, we get t times x divided by y over here is equal to 3p divided by 2, and you can see that the t's cancel here. So we're dividing by a t and multiplying by a t. Let's go ahead and cancel them out. All right, so now t is conveniently in the numerator. Let's do the same thing to get y to the other side of the equation away from t. So let's multiply each side of this equation times y. And if we do that over here, y cancels with y. So we're just left with t times x, and then that is equal to 3p times y divided by 2. So let me draw the y in just a sec. 3p times y divided by 2. All right, we're very close to having t isolated all by itself on one side of the equation. All we really need to do now is divide everything by x. So let's divide this side of the equation by x, and let's divide this side of the equation by x. And here, I'll go up here to show you what that is. So t times x divided by x, well, the x's are going to cancel, and so we're just left with t is equal to 3 times p y divided by 2 divided by x as well, divided by 2, and let me just put the x in green to keep it clear, divided by x. And if we look carefully at all the possible outcomes, we can see that that's exactly equal to k here, the correct answer. And it turns out we didn't even need to know what a non-zero real number was. K is right.